Very bad snowstorm is coming up right here in my state. And what am I going to do as a Nigerian woman who has a family to feed than to deliver? Look at my seasoning pot of stew, guys. Any Nigerian, every African in the house, look at my sizzling pot of stew with goat meat, beef, cow skin, cow tripe. Just mention it, guys. So there's nothing to worry about. The house is already stocked with food. And now there's a big pot of stew. Everybody can eat whatever they want. Swallow, rice, bread, yam. Just mention it. Look at the stew, guys. Look at stew. Cow feet, everything is seasoning inside it. Yes, everybody can enjoy. What is an African home without a pot of stew? Yes, look at it, guys. Look at this. What are you pairing with this? Let me hear you in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.